Hello, good morning, my dear students. As you all know, we have successfully completed 3 chapters of class 6. The first chapter, that is food, where does it come from? Second chapter, which is quite related with the first chapter, that is components of the food. And the third chapter recently we have completed, that is fiber to fabric. Now, before moving forward and before going to start chapter number 4, I think we should see the exercise part from all these 3 chapters. In today's video, we'll see first chapter and second chapter exercise part. Okay, I hope you have done it because it's very simple. In your science NCERT book, all the questions are objectives. Okay, a short answer or a single line answer, maybe a word, maybe a match the following, all MCQs, all the objective kinds of questions are given there. And as you understand the lesson very clearly and very properly, I hope, I am quite sure you all have solved the exercises. But still, we have to think of each and every child. So this video is very important for everybody, those who are struggling for the question answers. So today I am going to give you the question answers, the exercise part of lesson number 1 and 2. Let us move from chapter number 1. The chapter number 1 is food, where does it come from? Okay, open your textbook of science NCERT book and open page number 6. Okay, you have to open page number 6. See what is given there on page number 6. In the exercise, question number 1 is, just listen it very carefully, it is very important. First question on page number 6, in your NCERT textbook of science, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? The question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? What do you think? Of course not. While explaining the components of the food, I told you every age group of people is having different kinds of needs for the food. The people, I have given the example, if you remember, the students, the children like you people need more protein rich food items than the elders one, because protein is helpful for the proper growth and maintenance of the body. As an adult, I am completely grown. My height is, it's okay. Now my height can't increase. But you are still growing. You are in the process of growing. So you people need the continuous proteins, or I must say you need maximum protein food items. Okay, for the proper growth of your body. So obviously the answer of first question, you may write in this way. No, same kind of food is not at all needed by the different age group of the people. It differs from age to age, from person to person, what kind of nutrition, what kind of nutrients he or she maybe need. Okay, I hope the question 1 is very clear to you. Let us move to question number 2. Question number 2, name 5 plants and their parts that live. A simple question. Name 5 plants. Question number 2. I hope question number 1 is very clear to you all. Okay? You can give the answer in your own word. That is okay. So question number 2 is name 5 parts of plants that we eat. Okay, it is given name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Okay, somewhat I have written in a different language. The meaning is simple. Can you read it? Yes, very good. Yes, roots. Very good. Stem. Yes, leaves. Roots. stems, leaves, seeds, and obviously fruits. These are the part of the plants that we eat. A simple question and a simple answer. Nothing is difficult in this. Okay, moving on to the third number question, which is very easy. That is, match the following. Okay, just I am going to read it. It's very easy. Do you have to also put the finger on the line number 1? Column A, column B. A simple thing is given there. Should I write it on the board? I think no need. Just listen to me carefully. First, in the first column, milk, curd, paneer and ghee. Milk, curd, paneer and ghee. Match with, see the column number B. First, second, third, fourth. Yes. Number 1 match with number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number first, column A, number first line is matched with the last line, the last column of column number B. That is, all are animal products. Very good. Milk, curd, ghee and paneer, these all are nothing but the animal products. See, I know it is very simple. I should not explain. I am making a separate video for the exercise point of view because everybody is not, as we are expecting. So it is for all the students, those who are struggling for the answers, those who are, in a dilemma, what is the answer of the particular question. So this is official answer which I am going to tell you. Okay. So I hope this video you have to repeat. You have to see this video repeatedly and write over there the answer of these questions and copy down the same in your notebook. Okay. So column number 1 is matched with column number 5 from column number B. Column A first is matched with column B 5. Second number, spinach, cauliflower and carrot. In this column B, these all are vegetables. Yes. Column second from A is matched with column second last of B. Okay, that is, these all are obviously vegetables. Third number, lions and tigers. Lion and tigers. Eat other animals, eat plants and plant products, are vegetables or are all animal products? Yes, lion and tigers eat other animals. They are carnivores. So it is matched with that. And now only one remain in column 1, on one remain in column 2. So herbivores is matched with eat plants and plant products. I hope you all have understood. Let us move towards the next question, question number 4. Fill up the blanks with the words given. I think I must have to write this on the board. Okay, let's see. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First, let me write all the options which is given to us. Herbivore, comma, plant, milk, sugarcane. Plant, comma, milk, comma, sugarcane, and carnivore. A simple exercise activity for all the students. For all the students. Okay. I know you all are very excited. I hope you have done it. But still, it is the checking kind of things. Kindly do check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay. So, let us see the blanks. Tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. First one. Tiger is because tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. Let us write first all the questions. Number second, deer eats only plant products as deer eats only plant products. Deer eats only plant products and so is called. Meanwhile, you can try to fill in the blank from these words. Okay, a box. A box contains all the options, okay, which are the answers from these questions. Moving on, third question. Parrots eats only dash products. Parrots eats only dash products. And number 4, the dash that we drink which comes from cows. It comes from cows. Okay, something is given there, but that is not important. We have to just check whether our answer is right or not. This comes from cows, buffaloes, goats, and animals product. And last 5 number, we get sugar from dash. Now, I think it is very simple, but still, let us see what are the answers. So simple. First, tiger is a herbivore, plant, milk, sugarcane or carnivore. What is the answer? Yes, obviously, tiger is a carnivore. Tiger is a carnivore. I hope you are able to see it properly. Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Already we have discussed this part in chapter number 1. Okay, we all are talking about exercise chapter number 1. Okay, exercise of chapter number 1. So, tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Now, second number, deer eats only plant products. And so is called, obviously, what is the opposite of carnivore there? Yes, you are right. So it's called herbivore. It's called herbivore. While doing this, what to do? Carnivore, already we use tick. Tick carnivores. Second, herbivore also, tick herbivore. Now 2 options have already gone. Let us move the third number. Parrots eats only dash products. Now 2 already gone. So plant product, milk product or sugarcane. What do you think? Plant product obviously. Parrots eats only plant product. As parrot is also a herbivore animal or herbivore bird we can say. So parrot eats only plant product. So here is a plant. So tick plant word as well. Now the 2 words remain, milk and sugarcane. Okay, let us see. The question number 4. The dash we drink which come from cows. Obviously, milk. What is? Yes, milk. And now only 1 word is remaining. in the option box, that is sugarcane, and we all know from class 1 from nursery, I must say, we all know we get sugar from sugarcane. As the word itself, sugar, indicates we get sugar from sugarcane, so we get sugar from sugarcane. It is as simple as this. Okay, so here we'll end up the exercise of chapter number 1. Okay, let's quickly see the chapter number 2nd exercise. Okay, let us see. Should I repeat? You can take a screenshot of it. I will move aside. Take a screenshot of it. Okay, I will move for a while. You can take a screenshot of it. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Second chapter exercise we'll see in the next video. Okay, check yourself whether the questions are right or not, and most important thing is do learning. Okay, by heart it. Anytime I may give you the test. Okay, so be prepared, stay connected. Thank you.